City Council and Multnomah County Commissioners discuss how to divide federal stimulus money. And the Office of Homeless Services say they want a $40 million share of Portland's $114 million federal stimulus money.
Okay, but there is a but tonight. Portland City Commissioners are saying not so fast. Our Jenny Young is digging deeper into why some commissioners are putting the brakes on this idea. Jenny.
Well, hey there, Jeff, Jennifer. So the office that runs homeless services for Portland and Multnomah County, they have done a pretty good job of making sure that this virus does not spread among the homeless community. There have only been 8 reported cases in the last few months. And they say in order for that to continue for the next year and a half to keep that case number low, they are going to need a whole lot of money.
We have an empty college campus. We have the Greyhound bus station. We have facilities that we could use in an emergency in ways that we have never imagined using them before.
Commissioner Joanne Hardesty suggested the city and county use resources we already have after the Joint Office of Homeless Services estimated it would need nearly $40 million a year to continue providing shelter with physical distancing and other coronavirus safety measures.
We have this health guidance that says that folks who are very vulnerable in our shelter system need additional isolation.
For the last 2 months, the city and county have been using community centers and the convention center as temporary shelters.
Because we're going to be in a situation where the community is reopening. We've been able to spread shelter beds into public buildings, but those buildings are going to revert back to their original use.
Point 6 has also reported the city and county have been paying for nearly 500 motel rooms for those who are more vulnerable to the disease. And in Tuesday's virtual meeting, the Joint Office said they need to continue renting those rooms for the next year and a half. The commissioners and Mayor Wheeler said there must be a better plan, and one where the county and city can save money or at least get more bang for their buck.
Wow, that's extraordinarily high.
And I just think that if we're going to spend $40 million for 500 rooms and we have nothing at the end of it, that just seems to me that is just not common sense.
From a strategy perspective, you're thinking exactly correctly. And you're thinking about how do we maintain the shelter capacity and how do we also account for the reality of increased physical distancing. And what we're missing is how do we leverage these dollars into a permanent solution?
All right, so the council and the Joint Office will go back to the drawing board and try to find a solution. But the Portland Bureau of Housing director was at that meeting and said that the county and the city, if they bought a motel, that would be cost effective. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, we'll see where all this goes. Jenny, thank you. Now